Numeracy, May 2019, Unit 1, Intermediate Year. Question 1. In this question, you'll be assessed on the quality of your organisation, communication and accuracy in writing. Siobhan works in a grocery shop. She has made a poster for the window of the shop. The strawberries are £8.60 per kilogram, and then the raspberries are on special offer. Siobhan has forgotten to write the price of raspberries on the poster. Mr. Thomas buys 1/4 kilograms of strawberries. So he buys 1/4 kilogram of strawberries. So to find a quarter, the easiest way to find a quarter is half and half again, or divided by 4. So the cost of them is, just without a calculator, so I'm going to be doing 1/4 of £8.60. So if I'm going to divide it by 4, 4 into £8.60, 4 into 8 goes twice, 2 down, nothing left over. 4 into 6, 1 4 is 4, 2 left over. 4 into 25. So his strawberries cost £2.15 per kilogram. Now, he buys 1.5 kilograms of raspberries. So looking at this question, he's bought his strawberries, and now he buys 1.5 kilograms of raspberries. He pays with a £20 note, and he gets £2.55 change. So the cost of the shopping is going to be £20, take away £2.55. So I'm taking £2.55 away. 0 take away 5 you can't do, so you need to borrow 1. You've got to go all the way to the end, borrow 1 off that 2, so it becomes a 1, and that becomes a 10. And now I can borrow 1 off the 10, so it becomes a 9, and that becomes a 10. Borrow 1 off the 10, and that becomes a 9, and the 1 goes on the end. 10 take away 5 is 5, 9 take away 5 is 4, 9 take away 2 is 7, and then you got 1 take away 0 is 1. So the shopping is £17.45. So the raspberries cost £17.45, take away the strawberries. And we worked out earlier, the strawberries were, the cost of his strawberries were actually £2.15, not per kilogram, but they were just £2.15. So the raspberries cost, okay, so we're going to do £17.45, take away £2.15. I'm running out of room, so I'm going to do it here. 5 take away 5 is 0, 4 take away 1 is 3, 7 take away 2 is 5, 1 take away 0 is 1. So the raspberries are £15.30, and he wants to know per kilogram. So they tell me 1.5. 1.5 as a mixed fraction, because there's two halves in a whole, plus the extra 1, that's 3/2. So if it's £15.30 for 1.5 kilograms, to find 1 kilogram, what I'm going to do, I'm going to find, first of all, I'm going to find half a kilogram by doing £15.30 divided by 3. So I'm going to do that calculation by there. How many 3's in £15.30? 3 into 15, 5. 3 into 30, 10. So half a kilogram. So what that's telling me now is half a kilogram is £5.10. So a whole kilogram of raspberries is going to be £5.10 times 2, which is equal to £10.20. So my answer is a kilogram of raspberries is £10.20.